Did you know there is a temple in Tamil Nadu where Lord Shiva is worshipped as the cosmic dancer, his dance resonating with all of existence? Welcome to Thillai Nataraja Temple in Chidambaram, a spiritual stage where art and divinity unite. The name Chidambaram itself means space of consciousness, Chit for consciousness and Ambaram for space. In this sacred space, Lord Nataraja, Shiva as the dancer, is worshipped, symbolizing the cosmic rhythm of creation, preservation and dissolution. The current temple complex spans about 50 acres in the heart of the town. Worship at this site dates back many centuries. The temple is a living tradition linked to the Chola era and beyond, with contributions by later dynasties, all weaving layers of art, architecture, and devotion into its structure. One of the most celebrated features of the temple is the sculpted panels depicting the 108 Karanas from the Natya Shastra, the classical dance poses. These carvings connect the divine dance of Nataraja to the very foundation of Indian classical dance. Within the temple precincts, you will find 5 major sabhas or halls: Chit Sabha, Kanaka Sabha, Nritya Sabha, Deva Sabha and Raja Sabha, each associated with a particular aspect of dance, sound or cosmic function. The sanctum itself is unique. Behind the idol of Nataraja is said to be the Chidambara Rahasya, secret of Chidambaram, a space of emptiness. The temple does not worship a conventional lingam here. Rather, the formless element, Akasha, space, is central to its theology. The deity is conceptualized as both form and formlessness, bridging spiritual mystery and tangible worship. Daily rituals follow a sacred rhythm. The temple opens for morning darshan from 6 am to 12 noon and in the evening from 5 pm to 10 pm. During these times, several pujas and aratis are performed, including the Pala Nivedyam, Kala Sandhi, Irandam Kalam, and Ardhajama, among others. Devotees witness the ceremonial unveiling and offerings to Nataraja, and in many cases, special abhishekams of Spatika Lingams in auxiliary shrines are also part of the schedule. A highlight in the temple calendar is the Natyanjali festival held during the Tamil month of Masi. Dancers from across India gather here to offer their art to Nataraja. On Arudra Darshan or Tiruvathire night, the cosmic dance of Shiva is celebrated in a grand manner and the temple pulses with energy and devotion. For visitors, darshan is available during the morning and evening sessions as noted. Traditional or modest dress is recommended. Photography is strictly prohibited inside the sanctum or major inner zones, and cameras or phones may need to be deposited or left outside. Follow temple rules to honor the sanctity of the space. Every pillar, every carved panel, every Sabha hall in Chidambaram tells a story of dance, of devotion, and of the infinite. The Thillai Nataraja temple is more than architecture. It is a cosmic temple where space and movement become worship. Have you visited Chidambaram and stood before the dancing Shiva? Comment below and share your darshan experience or how you felt in that divine atmosphere. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more temple stories.